Hello friends, how are you all? In this video I'm gonna tell you about a website. This website will help you to run and write the code of different coding languages, and even though if you don't have any IDE or any particular program installed in your computer, you can still run the code using this website, but you can run it as long as you have a good internet connection to run the code. So let me show you the website now. Open up your browser now. Search for CodeChef.com/IDE and press enter. You can see here online IDE CodeChef. Select this one. After selecting, you will direct to this page, and this is the actual page now. See this is a editor area where you can write the code, and after writing code you have to just select this run button over here, which will generate the output for your code. And if you had a code written in a file which is available on your disk, you can use this open file and copy it over here and run the code. So there are also so many other languages available like Java, Python, C++, and other languages available. You can make use of the particular language and you can run the code. I'll show you a sample program using Python now. Print hello world. See, after writing this code, you have to just tap the run button over here, and you'll see the output generated over here. It says status is successfully executed. See, it shows hello world over here, which is very good actually. And if you don't have any IDE or anything installed in your computer, if you had a good internet connection, you can do this. You can run the code here in this website, which is CodeChef.com, which is actually a very good website. And there are also many other languages available. You can select other languages also. So that's all for this video.